Look at this lovely raft. No, I'm not talking about a water raft. That's what a group of penguins in the water are called. In this video, we'll go over 11 facts about penguins that you probably didn't know. Number 1. Penguins poop every 20 minutes. Penguins have a speedy metabolism, which means they need to poop a lot. In fact, scientists were able to locate an enormous 1.5 million member colony of Adelie penguins from space in 2018 by identifying their dark excrements in the Danger Islands. Number 2. Penguins have feathers, not fur. While it might not be clear when you look at them, penguins actually have more feathers than most birds, about 100 feathers per square inch. In addition, penguins shed their old feathers once a year, and they do it all at once rather than gradually, in a process known as catastrophic molt. Number 3. Penguins are monogamous, but one common fact about penguins is that they are a one-mate type of animal for life. However, some research has found that some penguin species, such as the emperor penguin, will be serially monogamous. So instead of mating for life, these penguins would only stay together for one season before moving on to another partner in the next season. Number 4. Penguins speak with each other. Penguin mates can call out each other in a vast colony and can recognize their mate's sounds. In a 2020 research paper, a team of Italian researchers found that penguins use speech patterns that follow the same principle as human linguistics, a trait only ever seen before in humans and some non-human primates. Number 5. Bigger is better. While bigger penguins tend to fumble more often than smaller ones, they do, however, have an advantage during reproduction season. Researchers have found that fatter penguins tend to have more mates than slimmer ones. So when it's time for courtship, female penguins tend to prefer bigger, fatter male penguins as a mate. Number 6. Penguins can drink seawater. Penguins spend almost 80% of their time in the water, so it's no wonder they developed a mechanism to deal with salt water. Thanks to a special gland in their bodies located around their eye sockets, these glands extract the excess salt from their blood and are released as salty fluid through their nasal passage by sneezing. Number 7. Penguins produce oil. While their thick feather coat helps penguins stay warm, they also produce oil from a gland that helps regulate the body temperature. These special glands are found at the base of their tail. The oil is not only used for regulating the body temperature while swimming in cold water, it also helps keep the feathers clean by getting rid of dirt and debris that get stuck there. Number 8. Not all penguins are black and white. Not all penguins have the cool black and white tuxedos that many of us think. They also exist as very colorful birds of various sizes. For example, the little blue penguin lives up to its name. Another example is the crested penguin, which has a crown of yellow feathers. On the other hand, blushes of orange and yellow mark the necks of the emperor and the king penguins, while other species, such as the Fiordland, Royal, Snares, and Rockhopper penguins, have heads of bright yellow and blushy eyebrows. Also, a light yellow mask covers the face of the yellow-eyed penguin around the eyes. Number 9. No penguin lives in the northern hemisphere. Almost all of the 19 species of penguins live in the southern hemisphere. Smaller penguins live closer to the equator for warmth and eat only fish. The more giant penguins live closer to Antarctica, where their bodies can withstand extremely low temperatures and windy weather. The only penguin species that ventures north of the equator in the wild is the Galapagos penguin. Number 10. One species of penguins never saw snow. The background of any picture or video of a penguin has always been white snow. However, there's one species of penguin called the Galapagos penguin that lives closer to the equator, specifically on the Galapagos Islands. And since the islands are close to the equator, these tropical penguins never saw snow in their lifetime. Number 11. Some penguins are same-sex mates. Along with bears and flamingos, penguins are among the 1,500 animal species that practice same-sex coupling. At Wingham Wildlife Park in Kent, England, two male Humboldt penguins named Jumps and Kermit raised a chick that the baby's father had refused to incubate. Another example, in New York City, a pair of chinstrap penguins at Central Park Zoo, named Roy and CeeLo, incubated a fertile egg and took care of the chick when she hatched. There you have it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.